Vögele pavers on Turkey's largest motorway project. The construction of a new motorway between the industrial city of Gebze to the southeast of Istanbul and the Aegean metropolis Izmir is the largest long-distance road project in Turkish history. The new traffic artery is 427 kilometers long in total, including approach roads. The Turkish contractor Eni Enerji was awarded the contract for a 150-kilometer stretch. When constructing the first section on the O33 motorway, the two-type Super 2100-3 Vögele highway-class pavers were faced with a real challenge. The schedule was tight, so the job was carried out in 3 shifts, meaning that the tracked pavers were in continuous operation. The 12-centimeter base course, 11-centimeter binder course, and the 4-centimeter surface course were each paved hot to hot across a pave width of 8 meters. A total of 670,000 tons of mix were used on a 26-kilometer section with 2 lanes in each direction and a 7-kilometer approach road. That equates to some 27,000 lorry loads. A project on this scale can only succeed if the machines and technology operate robustly and reliably, and a smooth supply of mix is ensured. This is where the innovative PaveDock Assistant, a system of signal lights, has a key impact. It simplifies and standardizes the communication process between the paver operator and the driver of the feed vehicle during material transfer processes. The paver has 2 sets of signal lights mounted on the left and right of the hardtop. With these lights, the paver operator can give the driver of the feed vehicle unmistakable signals, indicating what needs to be done. For instance, dock, stop, raise dump box and lower dump box, as well as drive off. This system supports a swift transfer of mix. The Vögele conveying concept ensures a continual flow of mix during the paving job. Thanks to the large material hopper and the powerful separate hydraulic drives for conveyors and augers, up to 1,100 tons of mix per hour can theoretically be conveyed. Needless to say, apart from its professional material management, the paver's drive concept also makes it the ideal choice for such large-scale jobs involving continual operation. The driving force behind the Super 2100-3 is a powerful 6-cylinder Cummins engine with 179 kilowatts. An intelligent engine management with Eco Mode and the Vögele Eco Plus low emissions package support low fuel consumption and low noise operation. The large cooler assembly continually keeps the temperature of the charge air, engine cooling liquid and hydraulic oil within the optimum range, even in challenging climatic regions. As a result, the hot summer months in Turkey posed no problem for Eni's 2 Super 2100-3 highway-class pavers, which steadily pave the surface in top quality. They were each equipped with an AB600 TV extending screed with tamper and vibrators. This screed has a basic width of 3 meters and can be infinitely extended to a maximum of 6 meters by means of the robust single-tube telescoping system. This allows strips up to 9.5 meters wide to be paved without joints. A perfect solution for this job on the O33. The Ergo Plus 3 operating concept supports the safe and smooth completion of large projects. The paver operator's platform has ample stowage space and offers the paver operator a professional workspace with a good view of all construction processes. The two driver's seats and the paver operator's console can be swung beyond the edge of the platform. The seats and paver operator's console can be adjusted to meet the ergonomic requirements of any operator. High performance and reliability, even in extreme conditions. Operating safety and comfort in every situation. Plus a perfect pavement. With these quality attributes to recommend them, Vögele pavers excel time and time again, all over the world. And Turkey's largest road construction project was certainly no exception.